So when we talked to small and medium businesses, we found that they were really struggling with three major things. The first one was paperwork. They were getting bogged down in paperwork, standards, and really keeping up to date with all of those administrative tasks. The second one was being able to see the wood from the trees. With all the micromanagement necessary for a small business, they were really struggling to see the larger picture so that they could move the business forward. And the third real major critical factor they had was being able to add functionality as they grew. Often they found that the software and hardware that they were using, as well as just general manual systems, were becoming outdated as they grew. So our challenge at Technology was to create something new that could fit the needs of small to medium business.
At its very core, Eido is based on a relational database which is used to store and serve out the information to our software modules, which include things like job tracking, job scheduling, and customer relationship management. The whole point of Eido was that we built it in such a way that it was accessible anywhere, so we chose to go with a web version, so that's accessible on any Mac or PC, and then also a native iPhone version for when you're on the move. The whole result of us using this kind of architecture is that it's a system that cuts down on paper in small businesses and cuts the costs. It's about being green, it's about being reliable, it's about being consistent, it's about being available.
These are already in the live testing mode. The next exciting step with us for Eido is the implementation of the Inquire, Inspect and Insight modules. The Inquire module automates billing, invoicing and quotes for small businesses or medium businesses, whatever application you can think of it really. With this module, a small business, for example, can automate its sales, cash flow records and link it directly to the jobs it's creating. Instead of your data being spread across different platforms, different systems, different programs and places, it becomes centralized in one accessible software package.
The Insight module is really crucial to the overall performance of Eido in the way that it helps small businesses run. It takes all of the other modules from the system, like your job tracking and your auditing and quality assurance, and ties them all together. It enables the business to set their own goals, so they're setting goals suitable to their industry, and then to provide like an easy format for them to rate their performance against those goals.
It's the new frontier on the web.
Very much a pioneering product. I think we're into something unique here.
We're going from the ground up and helping small businesses gain that edge, gain that advantage that they so sorely need.
Really any sort of small business could benefit from Eido.